Once upon a time, in a small village, lived a family named the Smiths. The family consisted of Mr. and Mrs. Smith and their 3 children, Mary, John, and Emily. The Smiths were known in the village for their love and care towards each other. Every day, Mr. Smith would leave early in the morning for his job as a teacher, while Mrs. Smith stayed home to take care of the children and manage the house. Despite their busy schedules, the family always made time for each other and never missed a chance to sit down for dinner and catch up on each other's day. However, their idyllic life took a turn when Mr. Smith lost his job. The news hit the family hard, and they were unsure of how they would make ends meet. Mrs. Smith decided to take up a job as a seamstress, working from home to support the family. The children, who were still in school, were determined to do their part in helping their family. They started taking on odd jobs around the village, such as babysitting and mowing lawns. The family pulled together, determined to get through the difficult time. As the months went by, the Smiths' determination paid off. Mr. Smith found a new job as a school principal, and Mrs. Smith's sewing business began to flourish. The children's hard work also paid off, and they were able to save enough money to buy gifts for their parents on special occasions. The Smiths were grateful for each other and the love and support they had received during the tough times. They realized that despite the challenges they faced, they had each other, and that was all that mattered. From that day on, the Smiths made it a point to spend quality time together as a family. They would go on picnics, play games, and take trips to the beach. The love and unity that the family had developed only grew stronger with time. Years went by, and the children grew up and left the nest. But the family remained close, meeting every month for dinner and catching up on each other's lives. The Smiths' love for each other had stood the test of time, and they remained a united and loving family. In conclusion, the Smiths' story serves as a reminder of the importance of family. No matter what life throws our way, having a strong and supportive family by our side can make all the difference. It is through love, care, and support that families can overcome any obstacle and emerge even stronger.